Make sure your snap keys are out of sight until I tell you to pull it out, okay guys?
All right.
Okay friends, so remember you guys have told me you guys done addition and subtraction problems with Miss Vila before, right? Adding and subtracting, okay? So everyone look at my hands for a second. Dakota, everyone look at my hands. So if you guys see a plus sign, what are you guys doing? Adding or subtracting?
Plus.
This is a plus sign, right? We're adding, right? We're adding. And let's see if you see a minus sign. A minus sign looks like this. What are you doing? Adding or subtracting?
You're doing
Subtracting, right? Good
that
job.
means you're doing the same one.
So now, Dakota, remember what Miss Kim said, you have to make sure you put all your stuff on the side. We're gonna use those later though. So Miss Kim is gonna teach you guys how to do part, whole method. Can you guys say part, whole method? Part, whole method when adding and subtracting. And today we're gonna use our snap cubes and our mat that I give you, okay? So I'm gonna explain how we're gonna use these when we're adding and subtracting, okay? So, do you see these two parts? What color are they?
Yellow and
Purple, right?
Green.
And green. So what, and this part is the whole. What color is the whole?
Green.
Green, right? So when you're adding, first I'm going to tell you what it means when you're adding. So a part plus a part is a whole. Can you guys say that with me? A part plus a part equals a whole. All right, Dakota, you gotta say it with me, okay? Everyone, let's say it one more time. Part plus a part equals a whole. Okay. So you see the blank addition problem I left for you guys? I want you guys to put a yellow square for the part and a purple square for the second, okay? With your colored pencils. You guys can get your colored pencils out. Can you guys do that for me? So
Is
since,
it like this?
yep, a square. Yep, perfect. So the first line, I want you guys to draw a yellow square. And then on the second line, I want you guys to draw a purple square. And finally, for the last line, I want you guys to draw a green square. Yeah, that's fine. Good job, guys. I'm looking at everyone's squares. Good job, good job. So when we're adding, we're gonna say it one more time, okay? Part plus a part equals a whole. Good job, okay? And now I'm gonna break down the subtraction. If we're gonna do subtraction problems, it's a little bit different, okay? So listen real closely, because they sound almost the same, but they're not. So a part minus a whole is a part. Can you guys say that with me? A part minus a whole equals a part. So for the first line on your subtraction problem, I want you to draw a green square. Can you guys draw a green square for me? On the first line.
Is this as a door?
Yeah, you can. Like you did before.
Oh, a green one?
Yeah, a green one. So the first line,
found
a green square on your subtraction side. And then on your second line, I want you guys to do a purple square. And then your last line, a yellow square. Good job, guys.
Yellow square.
Great following directions. Okay, does everyone have their squares down?
Yes.
Okay. So before Miss Kim brings out the numbers for examples, let's do the rundown one more time, okay? So if we're adding, it's a part plus a part equals a whole, right? Good job. Now if we're subtracting, it'll be a part minus a whole equals a part, right? So let's say Miss Kim has some numbers. Now we're gonna add some numbers into it, okay? Are you guys ready?
Yep.
So, but I need everyone to pay attention because this one might be a little tricky because we actually have numbers now. So make sure all your cubes are on your sides, okay? Dakota, can you put your cubes on the side of your desk, please? Inside? Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see. So, let's say, I'm gonna put the numbers down right here. Can you guys see this?
Yes.
Okay.
3 and 2.
Right? Okay. So let's say we have 2 parts that are filled in. What's missing?
Green.
A green, the hole, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think I'm gonna do? Is it subtraction or addition? Raise your hand if you know. Okay, let me see. It's okay if you don't know, you can always guess and it's always fine. Dakota, what do you think we're doing today? Addition or subtraction? If there's 2 parts filled in and we're looking for a hole, is it addition or subtraction problem?
Addition.
Good job. High five.
Addition.
Air 5. Okay. So remember, when we're adding, a part plus a part equals a whole.
Hole.
Okay? So what number is in this part?
3.
3.
3.
Alrighty.
And then a 2.
Now you guys can follow me. Let's bring out our cubes. You got your cubes? So if there's 3 in the yellow box, let's put 3, okay? See, Miss Kim is gonna put 3. 1, 2, 3.
I can't undo this one.
You need help? Oh. Alrighty. Does everyone have 3 in the yellow?
Yes.
Alrighty. And so, on the purple box, what number is this?
2.
2, right?
I did that.
Okay. Oh, you already have 2. Good job.
I did 2.
So we have 2. And since we're adding, are you putting together or taking away?
Together.
Together, right? Okay. So let's count all together. Right? Does everyone have? Okay. Miss Kim's gonna count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It makes 5.
Right? So what number goes on the top?
5.
5. So let's put 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dakota, can you put 5 cubes on the hole for me? 5 cubes. We're not gonna build right now. We're gonna add. We're adding, okay? So you gotta put 5 cubes at the top. Do you have more? Do you have more cubes? Okay. So just put 5.
I did it too.
Good job, guys.
Put these so.
Do you need help?
Whoa! What the? Is this yours?
Okay. Now Miss Kim is gonna demonstrate. Are you guys ready? Everyone have their listening ears. Everyone have their listening ears. So now Miss Kim is gonna show you guys the subtraction problem, okay? So everyone put your cubes on the side. Cubes on the side. All the cubes to the side.
I'm gonna pretend it's raining cubes. It's raining cubes.
As long as I can see, that's all fine. All right. So let's say this number and then this number. All right. Now, Miss Kim is gonna ask somebody, okay? Ask somebody a quick question, but before I do, we have a hole and a part filled in, but we're missing another part. So raise your hand if you think you know what type of problem we're doing, addition or subtraction. Chandler? Okay. Chandler, what do you-
Addition.
addition? Not quite, because remember, a part plus a part equals a whole is for addition. But when we're subtracting, it's
Is
a
it
whole minus a part equals a part. But we're missing a part. So raise your hand if you know. Kingston, what are we gonna do?
Subtract.
Subtraction, right? Okay. So everyone together, what number is this?
8.
8? What number is this?
4.
So if we have an 8 in the hole and 4 in the part, we need 8 cubes on the top. So can you guys put 8 cubes on the top? This kid will do it with you guys. 1, 2,
Kinsley, I love how you counted them to check. I love it.
5,
Now,
6.
6, 7, and 1.
Oh, you got it. 6. Good job. Good job counting.
7, and 8.
Good job, Kingston. So do you have 8? Okay, good job. Chandler, do you have 8 at the top?
Yep.
Alrighty. So now, what number is this at the part, guys?
4.
4. So I need you guys to put 4 on the top.
1,
1, 2. Oh, Miss Kim only has 10.
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. It makes 12.
Yes, if we're adding, but we're gonna subtract. So Miss Kim is gonna help you guys do that. All right. Does everyone have 4?
Yes.
Okay. If we're taking away, we have to remove some, right? So
So we're subtracting.
yes. So raise your hand if you know how many we're gonna take away from 8. How many are taken away from 8?
4.
4. Oh, yes. Raise your hand next time, but you're right. It's 4. So can you guys take away 4 from 8 at the top? Take away 4.
Took away the 4.
It's 4, right? 3, 4.
I took away 4.
So if we take away 4, how many are left, guys, altogether? How many are left?
4.
4. So the missing number is 4.
4.
Good job, friends. You guys did so well.
8. That means it's 8.
So now, Miss Kim is going to give you some problems that we're going to do together, okay? With the little chickens on it. Or chicks.
Chicken.
There you go. There you go. And we're going to use our part whole map to figure out these problems, okay? Here you go. Here you go. Alright. So before you guys do this on your own, I want Miss Kim to demonstrate, okay? So it can be a little easier so you guys can understand a little bit more. It does look hard, right? But it's like the same thing we did before on the map. So what number is at the top, friends? 9, right?
It's easy to do.
Is that a whole or a part? If it's at the top, look at your map.
Whole.
Whole, right?
Yes,
Okay.
whole.
And what are these bottom squares called?
6.
Not a whole, because remember we said the top is a whole. So the bottom,
Ah, a part.
good job, right? Part. So what's on the top? How many cubes do we have to put at the top?
9.
Right? Can everyone do that for me? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, we have to get the other paper.
We're going to use our maths. 5, 6, 7.
I have to start over because I didn't do it.
No, that's fine. It's okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Oh, Dakota, make sure you use your mat, okay? So make sure you put your 9 cubes at the whole box right here. Good job, guys.
Where's this one?
Does everyone have 9 cubes in their whole box?
Yes. 9.
Alrighty. So what number is in the part box?
6.
6, right?
Only have
Okay. So let's put 6 in the part box. Yep, 6 cubes in the part box. Good job counting.
5, 6.
6, good job.
5, 6.
Dakota, make sure you put 6
I got
in
6
this part
in
box,
there.
okay?
I got 6 in this one.
Miss Kim is gonna wait for some friends to put 6 in the part box and have their total 9 in the hole.
That means it makes 14.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, friends. Remember, first, before I tell you guys how to do it, I want to see if you guys know before I ask. So, are we adding or subtracting? Raise your hand if you know.
Subtract.
Oh, I have to choose. You have to raise your hand. Kinsley, what are we doing? Adding or subtracting? Look real closely. If we're missing a part, are we adding or subtracting? Adding. Oh, that's close because if we're adding, it's part
Subtracting.
plus part equals a whole. Right, Kinsley? Can you say that? Part plus part equals a whole. But we're missing a part. So make sure you think about that, okay? Chandler,
Subtracting.
right? Because if we're subtracting, can you guys say this with me? Whole minus part equals a
Whole.
part. Yeah. Let's say it one more time, okay? A whole
Whole.
minus a part
Part.
equals a part. Okay? Let's say it one more time because I heard a different answer every time, okay? A whole minus a part equals a part.
Part.
Okay? So now, raise your hand, okay? What number do we have to take away from 9? Right here. How many cubes do we have to take away from 9?
9.
Chandler, do you know?
6.
Exactly. Good job. So let's take away 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take away 6.
Yeah, I'm taking away my stick.
All right, take away 6 from 9.
Then 9.
Yep.
And then put it to 3. Then you only have 3 more.
Right, exactly. So let's wait for all of our friends to take away 6 from the top. And then I just want to see your answer, okay?
I put it 3. Subtract it.
Mm-hmm.
Subtracting.
You have to take away 6 from 9.
6 from 9.
Yep. Take away 6.
I did.
Nope. You have to take away 6 from the top.
Oh, you're gonna chop it like karate, dude.
All right. I want you to raise your hand if you know, okay? So, how many do we have left?
3.
You have to raise your hand. Chandler.
3.
3, right? So, what goes in the missing box?
3.
What goes in the missing
3.
box, guys? Alrighty, good job. So, I want you guys to use your pencil. Hey guys, Miss Kim's talking. So, friends, I want you guys to write a number 3 in the mixing box, okay? So, everyone, get out your pencil and write a 3. Miss Kim is going to do the same, okay?
I grabbed it a 3.
Kingston, look, let me see your paper. So, on the TV. Fabulous.
Alright. Show Miss Kim your 3s. Show your Kim Miss Kim. Good job, Kingston. Good job, Kingston. Good job. Just gotta wait for the order. Perfect. Good job. Now, Miss Kim is going to do one more problem with you guys, and I'm just going to let you trust you guys to do it by yourselves, okay? You guys think you can do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys got it. You guys got it. Okay. So, before I start, is this a part or a whole? The top box. Is that a part or a whole? Good job, right? Or what are these 2 bottom boxes called?
Part.
Good job, guys. Good job. All right. So, on your next problem, what number is right here?
2.
2.
And a 7.
Yes, and a 7, right? And raise your hand. Raise your hand, guys, okay? Make sure you raise your hand, because what box is missing? What number? What is this box called? Raise your hand if you know. The top box. Do you guys know? No, not quite. I want the name of this box. It's on your mat. What is this top box called? You guys have to raise your hand next time, okay? But Yes, a hole. It's okay. Next time. It's a hole, right? So if we're missing a whole box, are we adding or subtracting for sure? Chandler, what are we doing?
We are subtracting.
Subtract. That's close. I can see why.
Adding.
So Miss Kim's gonna explain why we are adding, like Kingston said, okay? So a part plus a part equals a whole. Say it with me one time, okay? Part plus a part equals a
Whole.
good job. So what number is this, guys?
2 and
Two.
a 7.
2 and a
7.
7, right? So I want you guys to put 2 cubes on this side and 7 cubes on the other, okay? Miss Kim is going to do that with you guys too.
2, 3,
And if you guys want to count out loud with Kingston, that'll help. So 1,
5,
2, 3,
6,
4,
7.
5,
I got
6,
7 on it.
7. Good job.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. And look on your paper. You have to put 2 cubes on the other side.
On the other side.
So put 7 cubes on the bottom and 2 on the other. So now everyone look at Miss Kim's chart. It looks exactly like a problem, right? And since we're adding, we have to put it together, right? Part plus part. So we have to add them all together. So let's count all
Oh, I
together.
see. Hey,
So let's count all together, guys, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. That means it makes 10.
Not quite. So let's count again because Kingston, he thinks he heard 10, but we're going to count one more time to just make sure, okay? So let's count. We have 7 here and 2 in the other part, okay? So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the missing number at the top?
9.
9, all right? So I want you guys to write number 9 on your top box, the whole box, right?
Oh, a 9 is like this.
A circle and a straight line. So write 9 at the top.